Oh my god, guys. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl, Shy Cloud. Right? I think that's my intro. Yes, thank you for that amazing intro. We're gonna be playing some Papa Scooperia math games. I feel like I've played this so much, but I started a new level. I know what the next guy wants, so I'm gonna get that ready. He's gonna want that with that, and if he doesn't, he can fight me. I'm gonna get this ready. Can you guys hear I'm dying? Yeah, that's interesting. Thank you guys so much for your concern. Yep. I hope you guys enjoy this content. I told you guys you wanted that. I fly like a bird. She wants vanilla. I don't know how it feels. Last time when I was trying to record this video at first, I kind of just messed up her ice cream. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Ooh, girl, look at that coverage. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Oof. Yes, top that off. She wants this ticket. Did I get it? Ooh, girl, look at that perfection. I did that. It's all because I did that. Well, let's see. Okay, so. This guy wants some strawberry ice cream. We're gonna give him what he wants. We're gonna put some of that whipped cream on top. Alright. Damn. Yep, I did not intend for that to happen. Let's just sprinkle peanuts on top of that and make it feel better. I know, it should go right where it should. Aww, it covered it. That would have been perfect. Wait, did I forget the... Oh, I forgot the chocolate. You guys are gonna yell at me. Oh my gosh, you forgot the chocolate. Look at my Sonic the Hedgehog character. I'm sorry, I love that face so much. I like it like that. Dada boots. Oh my god, guys, let's get back to the other one. Let's play it. Fashion flum. Pay attention to the outfit. 3, 2, 1, that. That, and that, and that. Done. Oh my god, I got perfect. I want a caramel apple gum or something. I'm gonna skip this. I can decorate the lobby. Yes. Put it down right here. So when people are waiting, they can have it when they want it. Posters, wallpaper, flooring, done. We're gonna go to the next one. Done! I love you! Marry me! You wanna have some ice cream with some chocolate? No. Yes, chocolate chips, right? Guys, I love this game. Oh my god, I'm a nerd for this game. Oh my god. Look at all of that. Why do people choose that topping? It's so nasty. I like it like that. Can you guys hear me clearly now? I'm gonna bake this cookie. Oh girl, I like you. I know you order by heart. Did you guys enjoy that singing bit? I hope you guys did, because I worked hard on that. I wrote that all night for you guys. Did you guys, like, understand, like, how much I worked for you guys? Like, oh my god! Or did... Sir... He got some gum! Guys, look, my gumball machine's working and stacking up bank already. Once this is done, I feel like there's gonna be a person online saying, "Hey, can you help me? Can you give me some cookie?" Oh my god, see, I told you. I don't trust it. Let's take order quickly and not waste time. Okay, girl, I have things to do. Thank you. Come again, please. No, I need to get this one done. I like it like that. $50 in the cash. I like it, like it, like it, like it, like it like that. I've never finished a pop-up game before. What are you doing? Guys, I am so sorry the program was interrupted. My game. Guys. I'm gonna die from coughing so much. I swear. I'm gonna drizzle, drizzle, drizzle all over that. Yeah! I'm gonna drizzle, drizzle, drizzle all over that, yeah. I don't like this topping. I don't know what it is. So, someone tell me what that is. It's so gross looking. It looks like a piece of toffee. Dude, I'm so sorry it took that long. My mom came in and talked to me, and, like, I don't like that. I'm kidding, I love my mom. I like it like that. $50 in the cash, I said, I like it like that. I think I'm on something. It's called my bed. Ooh, girl. I spilled over. This one time I burnt this lady's cookie on the first round, and she gave me 100% on it, and it was great. Hell yeah. Get that strawberry ice cream. It's my favorite flavor besides cookie dough and cookies and cream and everything else. Actually, I don't want chocolate. I want to give it a piece and 2 balls. Oh, wait. Whoops. You guys heard me say that. I mean, I'm innocent, guys. I didn't do anything wrong. It's gonna tell me the closer next, and it's just be like, your closer is gonna be 10 times harder on you. Oh, guys, you guys ready? It's the final countdown. Take order. He looks so angry sometimes. Guys, look at that big order. This guy knows how to order things, though. Like, he's classy. $50 in the cash, I said I like it like that. I do it in this order of the order they ask for it. I know I should be way more careful with this order, but I just could care less. Like, why do they have to be extra hard on me? I should be hard on them. Hard on them. Put it in the order that you want. I said I like it like that. It's gonna cook extra fast, cause it like that. K-pop, ARMY, BTS, BTS. But guys, look at my perfection. I have perfection. Don't ask why I do it like this. Don't ask questions. Just keep it hush. That was the devil crawling out of me. he says hello, and that he'll see you all soon in hell. I told my class that once. My teacher didn't like it very much. I wonder why. Okay, we're gonna spread this all over. Yes. We're gonna spread this all over. Guys, look at that distribution. Oh, yeah. We're gonna spread it all over. I'm sorry, but like, I'm a genius. Stack. Quit tutorial. I love myself. Boy, I made that extra special for you. Oh yeah, I got 100%. Oh my god. Guys, you can ignore that last part. Because, like, it was all 100%, definitely. I'm good at baking. Why do I do this to myself? Spider escape. I'm gonna skip this one. I forgot what it was, but oh well. Let's watch the parade, guys. Da 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 da. We are number one. Hey. That was the best parade I've ever seen. Oh, there's more. Well, I guess that's... No, there's more. Can that be it? Okay, that's it. That's... that's all we have for today. I'm gonna die, guys. I think we have time for one more round, I guess. Maybe not. I don't know. You're number one. Hey! Hey, you talking to me? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Let's take your order. You want banana? She looked like a banana. Is she wearing a banana in her hair? Like, oh my god, girl. I'm kidding, guys. Or am I? You guys will never know my secrets. Da 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 da. She has banana in her hair. That actually worked out better than I thought it was. Hey, Dawn! Oh my god! It sounds like I've been smoking for 25 years, but I haven't. Like, at all. Like, guys, at all. All I've ever done wrong is eat past midnight. I know it's a sin. I'm ashamed of myself, and I have to hide it from my family. It's a great burden on my life. I hope one day to fix it. The me night, holy me night. Get that cookie off the sheets. This person. Oh my god. I thought I burnt that. What if a chocolate cookie would look like burnt? Probably the same as the other cookies. Just burnt. Okay, good. Gonna take this vanilla, shove it down your throat. Take this vanilla and shove it down your throat. I only have like 30 more seconds, guys, so I love you guys all so much. I'm glad to be back, and I'll be recording more videos than I ever have, probably. I guess that's it. Bye.